what a wonderful day.
Yeah.
Wait, Papa Rapper, what happened?
What did he tell you?
Why?
It's a cat in black
Wait.
with teeth.
Wait, is it Bendy?
We don't know. I don't know.
Cat and hat?
I don't know. Look, let me explain.
Hey.
I was going home, got some dinner, and then after that, I put it in the refrigerator and went up to Sunny Funny, and then I'll tell you after that we went outside until a cat. They took Sunny Funny.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I know. Just kidding. He didn't take Sunny Funny. We ran away until he was breaking our windows and saying.
Oh.
And then he was like scaring us, and then the lights turned off.
Oh.
He came and said,
Oh, that's terrifying. We can help you.
Okay.
Okay, come on, we have to go outside and look for it. Wait, where is it at, Papa? Rapper?
It's in my dark house. Very dark.
Okay, let's go, Mugman. Mugman, let's go outside.
I'm scared.
Mugman, it's okay. Don't be scared.
Fine.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Sun's gonna go down. Oh, I think it's gonna come after us at the night. Hi.
What do you think you're gonna do to us?
I don't know, Mugman.
Look at the dirt. Sun.
No. And we see a fall guys and a big saucer right here.
Okay.
Whatever. Okay. Really?
Yeah. Should we get in?
I think so. Let's do it. Mugman, right here. Wait, why is it so dark? Wait, let me fix the camera. Wait.
Come on, get down. Hey, this is terrifying.
Yeah, I'm so scared. I don't know.
Oh, that's weird. Come on.
Oh my gosh, this sounds really so good.
Oh, okay. I'm so creeped out.
Oh my gosh. Let's get out of here. I don't want to go there ever again. I can't believe Papa Robert to send us here for some reason.
Got it into this mess.
Yeah.
But we have to take that cat out.
Yeah.
How?
Before, how about shooting them?
A trap a trap of...
Of cat food?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me like. Well,
I think we should use dog food.
Well, okay.
It's Cartoon Cat's favorite food.
Got the iPad. I'm gonna search it up. I'm gonna search it up right here.
Say it.
No, I got it. I'm gonna press it. What's Cartoon Cat's favorite food? Wait, press it.
I'm scared. Is it
Let's-
people?
No.
Caca?
No, let's see. Okay, let's see. I can't find Cartoon Cat's favorite food.
I think it's people. That's why he has blood in his mouth.
Yeah, let's see.
A cannibal.
We're not talking about Garfield's girlfriend right now.
It's cat.
What?
It's cat. It's cat. Cat. I'm getting so scared. Let's go look. Let's look at these pictures. Ooh, fat cat. Huh? What's in here? Oh, cute.
Oh, no.
Oh, look at that cat shaking a booty.
You know what? No, let's take this out.
Okay, so are we?
Um,
Your mouse trap. Yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
No, just go.
Ouch.
Shut up, Mugman. We got the cat. I got the dog food already. Let's put it over here.
No, we have to put it inside the house.
Mugman, no, let's just put it over here.
The door is locked.
Oh, come on, Mugman, please. Please, can we put it
He
here?
likes the dark, by the way.
Fine, let's go.
Right here. Ready?
Let's do it. Wait, what was that?
What's right here? No, we should put it on the ground. The ground. Right here. I'm scared. I'm scared. What was that? Come sit over here. Get in here. Get in here. Get inside. Can't you? Mother, I can't. I can't get. Oh, I'll just help you. Just help me.
go in that house again.
Wait.
Mugman, what's your plan again?
I don't know. What's your plan?
I got a good idea. Say is
What?
bite my butt, man. Bite my butt.
Did you guys say that to
bite my
Cartoon
butt.
Cat?
Yes.
Just keep doing it.
Bite my butt.
Okay. I hear a Cartoon Cat comes over here.
Okay.
I think he comes over here. He comes out of the water sometimes because he gets scared. He needs to take a bath. Hey, let's look around. Look over there. What's that?
Hold on. What was that? Oh.
Cuphead and Mugman are scared a lot. They want back in, but this is risky. Mugman said Cuphead said go, but Mugman said no, but they went in to see the cat.
About the lights. You hold that one, Cuphead, and I hold this. I'm gonna put this. Okay. What is that? Wait, Rex, did you just hit Woody? Oh, poor Woody. You can't even use the light. What? This one? Yeah. Turn around. Shaggy, what are you doing here? Oh, Cart, get out here, kid. I think you're trying to say Cartoon Cat, Mugman. Be careful, Cuphead. He might be anywhere. Oh, my number one.
I got to have Mugman, but this is too scary. You know what? I just have to help it. Brave, Cuphead, just be brave. I got this. I'm the big brother, and yeah.
And stay here next to the fire. I hope no one knows it. Help. I got you.
Let's get out of here. Wait, me too. Come on. Mugman, run.
Why do we keep doing this?
No, let's just run. What? No, let's do Parappa the Rapper. Come on.
What do you call us for?
Well,
Yeah. Oh, wait, aren't you done with that cat?
Well, not yet. So we need to use someone. We need to use Bendy or Parappa the Rapper.
Well, what is the problem?
I'm trying to say, like we should like Cartoon
but
Cat's
what-
brother. Like you're like kind of cat or a Cartoon
Cat?
Dog.
He's the evil cursed demon.
Yeah, you're the demon too, and
Yes.
you're kind of scary too. You need to help us.
I know, but aren't you afraid of the dark?
Of course, duh.
Because I'm very, very not afraid of the dark, so I can jump at you, scare you. Very, very scary.
Ugh. Wait, or we can just use Lemon Demon.
Nah.
Well, Papa Rapper, can you help us too? Don't worry, I can help you.
Okay.
Hey, let's
Hey,
go.
Cuphead, before you go, what is this if you get cold or you get scared?
Mugman, it's not cold right now. It's not Easter anymore. We just passed like 2 weeks ago. Well, can you at least give me another one, like a Spider-Man suit?
I don't know how to make that.
Wait, hold on. Thank you, Mugman, for the suit.
But when we get in there, we have to take it off
Why?
because it might get too hot for you, and you can't see.
Oh, because of the candle.
Yeah, you can't see. Look, walk to me.
Okay.
That's not me.
Wait, I see.
Okay, so ready? Ready, guys?
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, guys. No, come on, let's go. Oh my gosh. Guys,
The door is closed.
hold
The light.
Where's the light? I can't see it. Right here. Sweet. I can't believe I haven't pee.
Yeah, that's scary.
Oh my god.
He's in the bathroom.
Guys. The lights turn back on. Wait, should Pee-Pee's call?
Hey, kid.
The
Cat.
cat?
Do you want me to show you how to get out of this place?
Yeah, but why you get on that toilet?
He put me in to make me eat the pee.
Oh, wait, did he just poop?
I don't know.
No, you don't. Oh.
He can glitch. My heart.
What about the door's locked? What should we do?
Yeah, I
Wait,
don't know. We have to.
wait. How about we can get in the toilet and then the sink?
Never worked. I tried that.
Okay. Cartoon cat.
It's okay, kid. He doesn't come out to. What happened?
You know.
How did he get out? Oh no, I'm stuck here. No. No. Ah.
Baby. Wake up. Baby. Baby, wake up.
What happened?
Yeah, we put your clothes on,
Okay.
and then
cartoon
took
cat,
my
the cartoon
Spider-Man
cat,
off the
cartoon
costume
cat,
off. Wait, what?
The cartoon cat.
Oh yeah. What do we do, Mugman? What do we do?
Let's call our friends to beat him up.
Yeah, there's a. Whoa! Everyone, we need to kill this cat. Wait, did we just saw your Rex earlier?
Oh, were you scared?
Of course. Shut up.
Honestly.
We don't need Rex right now.
Okay.
Okay, we need to we have to kill this cartoon cat. Stop it, Mugman.
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, that should be Patrick's voice because it sounds like him. Stop!
Ouch, sorry.
Oh, I'm gonna kick you out.
Why are you acting sussy the last time?
Shut up. Well, it talks about him. Well, guys, come on, let's beat this cartoon cat. Come on, let's go, everyone.
Guys, any questions?
What is this cartoon cat?
Oh, cat. She's a cat. Oh, no. He's over there, the basement. You're cute.
Oh, okay.
Fatty. Okay, come on, let's go.
All right, everyone. The cartoon cat is over there, and then we have to beat him up, everyone.
Stay here. Open the door.
Yep. Come on, Mugman, let's go.
Cartoon cat.
I'm not afraid of you anymore. Stop it. Let's get him. Yeah.
You're the punk I've heard about.
Get him. No. How about we can just be friends? Oh no.
Sussy.
Can you stop funning, please?
Sorry, I can't hold it.
Stop it. So let's take cartoon cat somewhere. Cartoon cat, are you okay?
He's dead. Let me check. He's dead, it says.
Wait, come on, don't. What do we do now?
Wait, I think I got it.
Really?
Yeah, I take care of pets. I'm like, yeah, I take care of pets.
Oh, cool. Can you take care of him?
Okay, I got it. Here we go.
Thanks, guys, for saving me.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, but why do you want to creep us out?
Sorry, I just don't really know why. I'm really scared.
I know, but I can't believe you want to scare us for some reason. Why?
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's because People always be mean to me, so I always get mad. It gets scary.
Wait, when did it came out? 2020?
Yes, I care about 2020.
And that's why 2020, the other year sucks because they always keep showing creepy stuff. In 2021, not being creepy today. What the heck is wrong with... Oh yeah, we have some McDonald's. You want some?
Sign me up.
Yeah, I'll get the burgers. To eat this burger. Yeah.
Can I be honest with you?
What?
I'm shy, but can we be friends?
Of course, you're being nice. Come on, let's eat this burger. Yeah.
You?
Come on, Mugman, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, let's eat this burger. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Cartoon Cat's good.
Yeah. Shut up, Mugman.
Oh yeah.
Shut up.